Patient position is supine with feet at the end of the table. Evaluator position is at the feet of the patient with hands cupping the calcaneus of each leg. The Hoover test is used to identify if a patient is actually exerting effort during the testing procedure and determines if an individual is malingering. Have the patient attempt an active straight leg raise on involved side, then repeat on the opposite leg. Do not tell the patient what you are testing for, only tell them to strictly raise one leg, or this might give you an inaccurate result. A positive test is if the patient does not attempt to lift the leg and the examiner does not sense pressure from the uninvolved limb pressing downward on the hand, as should instinctively happen. If pressure is not felt from the uninvolved limb, the patient is not attempting to perform the test and could be a warning sign for malingering.